let's show you guys here. But we still have a lot the hand soap here, so don't be panicked about corona. PJ still have it. Yeah, don't know how we're getting out the toilet paper. Let's this BJ we still have a lot here, as you can see. A lot the toilet paper here. If you need it, you can go BJ to get them. There. So tons of them here about toilet. Look at how many they have up there. A lot. Right, now we head to Walmart and find out if they still have the toilet paper there and cleaning stuff. Alright, looking for the parking lot now, and then we go inside Walmart. Alright, we have one here. Seems like Walmart still have a little bit of toilet paper here. It's not getting out yet. But a lot of empty cases here. All empty case. Let's go over here, see your Toiletpaper Bounty. Really empty. Still ton of them here, but all just strong. It's in that paper towel. Paper towel still let a lot here, but not toilet paper. I don't know how coronavirus affected toilet paper. Then there's still a couple of cases there, maybe not put out yet. like here for cleaning supplies. Seem like running out here, but we still have a lot out here. Just wonder what they running out here. Fine, sure.